Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into Vertex AI and Vertex AI is a fully managed AI development platform that brings together cloud advanced AI generative model where we can perform developers can build, train, test and deploy machine learning and generative AI model. So whether you are a data scientist, ML engineer, or business looking to the leverage AI, Vertex AI provide enterprise-ready solution to innovate faster. And astonishing that Vertex AI provide 160 plus service from one platform. Here we can see some key point that already if you mentioned. We can also pre-train model, can customize it, automate workflow with MLOps tool, and uh, efficient model lifecycle management. So there are a lot of discussion running going about the Bartex AI and its future. So I simplified in two categories: the vision and mission. The vision is that it's empower the business and developer with cutting edge AI tool, enabling seamless innovation and intelligent automated skill. So without any hassle, without building from the scratch, they can anyone can develop with the product with minimal experience or know how to this thing actually work with help of prompt engineering. And the mission is that it provide a unified development platform that simplified model training, development, management, ensure and accessibility. So okay, sorry for the typo mistake. Uh, we will go through the Bartex AI and we will visit step by step, and we start from text and we'll conclude our today's session and image demo. So before we that we have to use an Bartex AI, that is one. So we have a Google project. I'm pretty sure that we all are have the Google Cloud account, and they will provide $300 for a practice purpose. So at first all okay, we go to the from the left corner and the dashboard where it shows basically. We can see that uh, some some features they provide actually Bartex AI Studio. We can see model garden, Colab enterprise, how to deploy, model development, and prepare data, and so many items available there. So at first we visit the model garden. What is the model garden? Well, there are more than 160 plus model available, different kind of, not only all are by Google, some also the third party model available there. Along with it also categorized like fine tune model, around 58 model available which we can fine tune. And we know that fine tune, which means that we have already a pre-trained model but it cannot perform well with our specific tasks. So in that case we have to train the model again to more specific for our problem solving. So that's uh, in the fine tune cover, but we are not today going to talk more about fine tuning. We will show a task specific solution. Okay, here I will show actually how do we use this from who have no knowledge or who have very few idea actually how do we start it. Okay, so let's start from the pipeline. Okay, we also visit like the pipeline, what it shows that we can create and develop a machine learning pipeline. And also you can see that workbench, Google enterprise and overview. So at first we have to go the prompt gallery. Okay, our journey start from the prompt gallery, and we can see that there are five category type of um, things available that actually allow as a prompt, and they give us some the basic, or actually fully the uh, prompt, like how it works. So we randomly click this one animal. Okay, so what it can do, perform, or what it can. Okay, we have to clear the conversation. So where was the system instruction? You are an animal assistant chatbot whose main function to answer question about animal, and we can see rules that assume the user has positive intent related to animal welfare. If the user anything negative about animal, respond I am a chatbot who only helps support animal welfare. Okay, who only helps support animal. Okay, here is the specific one. Yeah, you can see like this is in the system instruction. Basically we tell our model what it can return. Okay, so I just write here. Okay, that uh, write a code which add to number. What it show? It returned to me. I am a chatbot who only helps and support animal welfare. And we can also change the model category, and we know that Google Gemini 2 recently released, and it's accessible through the Vertex AI. So we can select a different type of model here. So by default we can see that Gemini 2 flash 001 selected, so we keep as it is. Also we do not change the region. We can change the temperature highest limit 0 to 2, and the output token we can increase it. Also we can ground source use as a Google search, we can turn on it. We also optimize it. And one thing is that the output we can see a plain text. If I change it the JSON format, okay, and let's see that uh, what do you do basically. Let's see what it return. Okay, the difference between that, when we select to the JSON format, we can see that there is a curly braces from the starting and the ending, and this is the response as a key, and this is our the result as a value, key value pair. We know that JSON return it, so we have to change it as a plain text, and we can more set up on the advanced. So if you want, you would like to go there. Now the things that what I am to do, I just like change this. uh, if someone asks anything about programming related, we can say, okay, you can write code in Python language. Okay, let's see. Now if I clear the conversation, so for more better understanding, I just say like this. uh, can you write a code that can multiply anything 1 to 100? Let's see what is written. Yes, but if you clearly remind just previously, it can say that no, I am just an animal chatbot. So this is irrelevant that I, not I, but they as a demo, like animal information chatbot, and I ask could here. So it's totally irrelevant here, is not it? So we have to more specific our model so that it can solve the particular problem, and we can say that okay, this is a quite smallly like simple agent who can talk about only the animal. So we have to give them the basic uh, stack, basic knowledge, so that our task is more specific. Otherwise it can be a more general one, like we can search anything. Okay, if I suggest they are like how do I learn capture a tiger. Okay, I'm bad at spelling, sorry for that. Okay, so it's also said that okay, it cannot provide me about it. What is animal welfare? So that I mean, I don't know about what is the animal welfare. Let's see what it's written. Okay, wow. Providing care, minimize suffering, respecting natural behavior, and ethical treatment. Also, we can run this code in our Google Colab. Just if we get code, we can find two type of code there. So Python and SQL. In the end of the session, I will try to show run a code in our notebook. Okay, already it's going to open. We don't focus too much time here. So and this is also a new thing that add apart from basically here the two type of chat. It cannot store anything. Okay, it cannot store anything, and we can uh, let's see what it shows. Okay, delete. So free from, where we can search anything anytime. We have do not bother about it. And as it is same like this the chat as earlier we can show here. So we do not have to, it cannot save anything. That's the only difference between the any chat bot or other chat option. If you see also in the below a chat, it can store our previous history. Okay, but in the free from it cannot store. Like write a poem for my friend. Okay, let's see what it shows. We can also insert their media. So a friend like you, we can insert, even we can input a YouTube video link and it will can return us the result as a plain text. Okay, okay, I just go to the YouTube, and what we can search here, we can search here like, okay, we give this video basically, I don't know what is about it. Okay, so I have to clear the prompt and insert media by URL. uh, no, dedicated one YouTube video link, so I have to provide a video link here. Okay, insert. So can you imagine the token size is 2 million? So I don't know actually what you can say. We will face anything. Okay, right. The key point of this video. Okay, it will definitely take a lot of time. It also show that the file is large, so can few minutes or longer. So I have to wait a little. Okay, we can see that so it can give the key point that is discuss loading, installing R package, time series, forecast, and gplot. So we can see that in the freeform, whenever we add any multimedia, it can easily give us the result. Here are also we can see that page translation, and in the translation we can with help of this we can translate with any other language. So in the portion of this specific one where we can basically add, we can say like give the hints for how to expected our result. So few short means that we can provide few examples so that it can perform better. And here is the limited languages. Now we will show one thing about vision related, and yeah, in the upcoming days we will show more about this. So nowadays, okay, image gen 3, the top one model nowadays. So what it can do, basically it can generate in images. So if you want to study or know more about, the provide the always documentation which also help us. Okay, we can write and prompt. So write an no, draw an image where a fox and hen work together. Let's see how much it give us. Also we can add as a image as a reference. As like it is, we can say that we can change the aspect ratio. This is our, and in the advanced option we can setting up many things. Is not it a cool, so fancy? It can generate image within very few minutes. So also we can visit it like from the model garden to there. So if we want to specifically choose this image gen 3, it can also move on to the same things whenever we open this. So we can overview that it is, and generate, basically image generate text to image, and use case a French cafe with golden background. Sure, we can do this. Just open with Vertex AI Studio. So it come return to the main form where actually we looking. So there are so many things available also that everything cannot show up in the one video, and most of the use cases and things are same. So I have to visit and go through this, implement with your project. That's all about the Vertex AI basically. So if you can see that the images are more authentic, like as the people capture this image. If we click and show that how advanced the AI, also the Google Vertex AI particularly, which provide one platform we can switch anything any within few seconds what we actually want to develop. Okay, so this one I told you that I want to open with the Google Colab. So though I'm using Vertex AI, so I have the Google Enterprise. That's why I'm not going to the Google Colab particularly. I'm using here. So if you want to do check on yourself, this is the code like this, and okay, it take okay, take few minutes to connect. Okay, provide. Let's see what happened. Okay, it's run. We are successfully. So first of all, we have to install that the Google Gemini. It means the generative AI. So with help of in the Bartex Google Enterprise, we can use it. So okay, we can see that this is the example of like how to multiply the key improvement. Basically, this from the here we can see this is the instruction actually. So we can, if we change that C++ language, so we can like how the dog run. Okay, we can give a stem message to them, and we will see the output is here. If you look at this is the output. Also I can change here, like this is the type content. Okay, I have to remove. and here I can see that I write a code that can print. Okay, so we have to run this, and you can see that this is the CPP, which means that C++ code.